What?
That's what he told me yesterday.
What?
He's like, you ready to be on camera? Because we shoot videos here. I'm like, why? He's like, because that's what we do. We fucking shoot videos here. It's like, fucking fluffer over here.
Fluffer?
Yeah, you know what that is? That's your job. You're a fucking fluffer. That's what you are.
Can you explain the job of a fluffer to me?
That's the guy who keeps the other.
Alright, that part's getting cut out. Anyway, back to motor stuff. The guys are cleaning up, and they're gonna make fun of me because I started talking to the camera. So let's get it over with. Anyway, the motor's out. I mainly just took some like cinematics and stuff just to keep out of his way so that he could keep working. We are missing flywheel bolts for the moment. Other than that, the trans for the starter, there's a little bit of clearance needed for it to all fit up. So he's got that going. Trans obviously all fits up with the K-Power adapter plate for the Get Drag 260. So that'll be all good. Nothing crazy with the motor. It's a pretty simple K-series just to get the car going. But other than that, valve cover I don't think is staying on there. It's just for a placeholder. But yeah, this is the clearance that's needed to be made. You really just have to be able to have it clear right here. Other than that, we'll just have to figure out most of like the coolant passages and stuff. But almost ready to go. Right, Red? The only thing that we're missing for us, because we kind of pieced things together out of the kit, was the reservoir for the brake master. It's an external one that gets relocated up to this bracket up here, so we'll just have to get that, and then I'm waiting on us getting a throttle cable, and yeah, from there, once the motor's in, we can start getting like all the harness stuff and the Haltech stuff all worked up, and you know, JR is gonna work some magic to get it going quick, and then hopefully it'll be running before the winter time. Trans mount?
I think that shit's cool as fuck. Like,
oh, so it moves back and forth? So you can
slide it. So you had to slide it back to get it off the grooves?
Man, 80s BMW, look at that. Innovation.
So it just grooves in, it just slides in that way.
Innovation. I love it.
Nope. Look at the bolts to slide in the body. So look, you can literally just slide it back and forth.
Oh, now that the camera's out, you're not gonna fight me?
Bro, we don't want to see you get put in the chokehold again.
I'll put you in the trash can, dude. We're gonna talk about that. By dropping 2 cylinders.
What's that? Any guess, Jarrah?
What was it? What was it?
2084. I want to say the same thing.
So JR says same thing.
2082.
Oh, yeah. And there's 2 pounds of weight on the rear.
There's
there.
Did you zero it out with that on or off?
No, it wasn't. You didn't zero it out, right?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Well,
Well,
then
you zeroed it out without
with
these?
this, with or without this?
Jose put them on there.
Okay, take
Okay.
it. Stop being a pussy.
But it was like only 2 pounds.
2075.
10.
We dropped
13
10 pounds by going K series?
Well, isn't the V6 like cast iron or some shit? Or aluminum? I don't even know.
It was heavy.
If it was cast, I knew what you would think it would weigh more.
Yeah.
Just set up all the fans. It's on the dyno, but all the fans are now set up. We got Rick from Haltech getting on the line with DJ. They're sitting in the car, probably talking about, you know, the weather outside. So we're gonna get into it real soon. I'll try to film some clips. The first stuff ain't gonna be that great, and it's honestly gonna smoke out the shop because it runs a little rich. But yeah. Well, I'll get some clips of it rolling on the dyno as soon as the smoke kind of clears and the battleground kind of you know, chills out over there. And then once we get going and start getting into some full pulls, try to bother them a little bit, see what's up. VTEC crossover is insane. This thing revs out and it's, oh my god. It sounds so good. Like it doesn't sound like the truck, but it's not a bad thing at all, you know? Oh, that sounds good. I hope that clip was worth it. It got in my throat.
Is that the only thing that goes in your throat?